In this video, I will guide you how you can fix GCash account is on hold. So first of all, if you have received an SMS that your GCash account is on hold due to routine verification, you need to follow these particular steps. The first step is you need to submit the required documents, including your front and back photos of two valid government issued IDs, a photo of your signature using a ball pen on paper, proof of your income, and proof of your billing such as rental statement, utility bills, credit card bills, or association dues. GCash will review your account based on the submitted documents and your issue will resolve automatically. Second scenario can be account deactivation. If your account was deactivated, you can still claim your funds. You just need to open up your GCash and create a new account, fully verify the new account, and then you need to file a request to transfer your funds from the deactivated account to the new one. So that's the way of how you can fix GCash account is on hold.